Let's talk about changing your Apple ID region. Uh, a topic as confusing as it sounds, whether you've moved to Portland or just want access to a different app library, here's how you conquer this digital beast. Uh, Brace yourself. Uh, why change regions, you ask? Well, content restrictions, my friend. Some apps and media are geo-locked and unavailable unless you make this change. Frustrating when you just want the latest Portland-centric app, right? You can overcome this with a few steps. First, a heads up, changing regions will affect your existing subscriptions and balance. Imagine waking up in Portland with no access to your favorite subscription. Always spend any remaining Apple ID balance before switching. Trust me, better safe than sorry. Now, let's get this show on the road. Step one involves backing up your devices. Surprises are only fun on birthdays, not when your files go missing. A good backup ensures all your data stays safe. Think of it as insurance for your peace of mind. Next, open your settings app from the top. Tap your name to access your Apple ID settings. Tap media and purchases, then hit view account. A few taps closer to getting that Portland weather app, my friend. Keep going. You're doing great. In the account settings, spot the country region option. Tap it like it owes you money. And if you're at the heart of the beast here, ready? Hit change country or region. Choose your desired region. It's like reliving at geography test, but with more stakes. The country selection is serious business. Make sure it's where you sincerely want to be. Changing your Apple ID region comes with terms and conditions. Skim them if you're brave, read them if you're wise. Acceptance here means you're ready for the switch. Complete your payment information accurately. New country, new currency, new payment method. Feels like opening a new chapter. And then under that, it would be pretty clear we are in the homestead of that, put to have a good problem. And then we also, Portland compatible apps are nearly within reach. Feel the excitement yet? Once you've updated your payment method, finalize your region change. The process should be instant, but patience is a virtue. Check for any unusual activity or shaped clouds in the sky. Your apps library should update soon. Portland sunshine could be next. Pro tip, if you're facing issues, contact Apple support. They're more helpful than your gym locker rental and always there to assist. Changing regions can sometimes hit bumps. This isn't Portland's rain we're talking about, but technical issues. If you've done everything right, your account should now reflect the new region. Take a deep breath and explore the new App Store offerings. Celebrate a little. You've just navigated through the tech labyrinth like a seasoned pro. And welcome to your new virtual home. So, and there it is, the region change, not as daunting as the name suggests. You tackled it like a Portlander conquering a mountain trail. With these steps, you can secure the apps and media you need, no matter the region barrier. Happy app exploring.